Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes and this is a Yamaha R1. Absolute beast this is. Sounds like thunder going down the road. It is absolutely mega. 2017 66 plate, 11,080 miles. Obviously got that big 1 litre crossplane engine. Pops and bangs and does all the nice things that and gives you a big fat smile on your face. Adjustable traction control. Also different power modes on these. You've got a full colour TFT display. If you're braking, accelerating, it'll tell you on your screen. Obviously fully adjustable front forks. Oh, look at that. Ooh. They really are mega, these. This one's got a tail tidy on there. It's got a nice seat cowl and obviously finished off in the Yamaha blue. So if you're looking for a fast sports bike for the road or definitely on a track, then this is the bike for you. In order to get it purchased, you pop down to Jordan Bikes, you give us a call. Cheers now, thank you.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.